How to create a successful online business in 2023. Welcome to our video on how to create a successful online business in 2023. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the step-by-step process to turn your passion into a profitable venture. You'll hear the inspiring story of Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who turned her love for baking into a successful online cookie delivery service. The first step to creating a successful online business is to define your business idea and identify a niche or gap in the market. Sarah discovered that there was a demand for freshly baked cookies that could be delivered straight to people's doors. She conducted market research and competitive analysis to determine what made her business unique and valuable to potential customers, choosing a business model and creating a website. Once you have your business idea and niche, the next step is to choose a business model that aligns with your strengths and resources. Sarah chose a direct-to-consumer model that allowed her to cut out the middleman and deliver her cookies straight to her customers. She also created a website that showcased her products in the best possible light, developing a marketing strategy and building a customer base. After launching her website, Sarah focused on developing a marketing strategy that targeted her ideal customers and reached them through multiple channels, both paid and organic. She used social media platforms, email marketing, and search engine optimization to reach her customers. She also provided exceptional customer service and rewarded repeat business to build a loyal customer base. The work doesn't stop once your business is launched. You must continually test, refine, and optimize your website, products, and marketing campaigns to ensure that you are meeting your customers' needs and staying ahead of the competition. Sarah listened to feedback from her customers and used their insights to make informed decisions about her business. Creating a successful online business in 2023 requires a combination of creativity, strategy, and hard work. By following these steps and staying adaptable and responsive to changes in the market, anyone can achieve their dream of becoming an online entrepreneur. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom who loves baking cookies or a tech-savvy marketer with a new idea, take the leap and create your online business today. The potential for success is waiting for you. Thank you for watching our video on how to create a successful online business in 2023. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.